Welcome back to session 5 of Digital Awareness Marketing. أهلا وسهلا فيكم بالجزء الخامس من Digital Awareness Marketing. معكم حبيب السلام. In this session, we're going to talk about the 5 W's and the H. What are the 5 W's, how to use the 5 W's, and how to understand the 5 W's and the H, which is the how. The 5 W's are the who, the why, the where, the when, and the what. So basically, we're going to use these 5 W's to understand our customers, meaning the target customers. Welcome back, and let's start. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. So start your description with words you know people want or like to hear, like who, what, when, where, why, and how. The 5 W's and the H. These words spark an emotional response that grabs a person's attention. You can also try these trigger words to engage your audience. So let's talk about the 5 W's and the H. We need to understand that when creating any form of communication, whether that be B2B or B2C, business to business or business to consumer, even government entities, there are a few key things that you need to know. Before you get started, and this is especially true when creating visual content or digital marketing plan, you need to know the 5 W's, as we mentioned before. Knowing the 5 W's is very important also. And remember from the first session, can we do it, should we do it? Meaning we need to also understand what the resources, شو هن الموارد اللي عنا اللي بتخولنا نقدر نشتغل بالديجيتال ماركتينج او فينا نعمل البلان والخطه اللي احنا بدنا اياها. So you need to know the 5 W's. Now, what do you hope that we have to think? I would say, what do you hope that your digital plan? We have several stages. حنحكي على objective. We're going to talk about the objectives now. The first objective is, what do we hope this digital plan will do? What? Okay. Then, understanding the what, I need to understand who are my internal stakeholders. مين بدي أجيب الapproval? We're starting from stage 1. Huh? From who am I going to get the approval? Create the communication plan. Why should I do this? And do I have the means to do it? Do I have the resources to do whatever I'm looking for? Where am I going to start? What needs to be done? لما أعرف هدول الفايف, I know the how. انتقلنا من ال 5 W's اللي هن للobjective لل 5 W's التانيين اللي هن للdigital marketing plan. Now, digital marketing plan, we have everything. The objectives are there. We know the stakeholders. We know the who are my audience. واحد. Demographics اللي حكينا فيهم من قبل. Why are they my audience? بدنا نعرف ليش we have to give the reasons. لأنه بكرة بيجي حدا, somebody will come and ask you, why are these your clients' audience? You have to give the reasons. And then, where are these audience? Where do they live? وين عايشين? Where do they work? Demographics محكينا. When should I target this audience, or my let's call them my target audience? What should I do? And then how should I do it? عجبنا scope تبع how. This is why it's very important. So every step of the way when you do something is you go through the 5 W's and the H. See, it's very simple. I'll give you another simple example, as simple as going to the supermarket. Now, who's going to the supermarket? Why am I going to the supermarket? Where is the supermarket? When should I go to the supermarket? When should I go? What should I buy from the supermarket? Then I know the scope. I know what. I know the when. I know how much money should I take. I know the resources I need, car or whatever. So then I'll check on my resources. Do I have these resources that can allow me actually to go to the supermarket and do whatever the objective is? So it's very important to understand these things. Now, why should it matter your target audience, and why is the topic or service being promoted in the plan? important with that target audience. ده شيء مهم لهدول. Where will your audience be? And search for your service or product. You should never start a project without first defining these 5 Ws. Abadan. You cannot do that. So this is the important part of the 5 Ws. حنحكي فيهم كمان شوي أكتر بالديتيلز. So target audience. Who are my target audience? Determining your primary target audience is crucial when launching a business. Very important. Or a product or service from your existing business. Geographic. So we decided who are my target audience. Geographically, where are they? Demographically, culture, age, race, gender. Psychographic, their tendency, the trends that they have. And behavioral are the 4 levels of segmentation that can help define your business's primary target audience. Very important to know these things. So why are we choosing them? Why are these people? Now we have the who. Now why are they? We need to understand why are they. Brainstorm with your colleagues, brainstorm with each other so that you can decide. We decide first who, and then we move into the why. Let's go into some more details about who and the why. Was my target and why these are my target. 5 steps to help you identify your target customers. Create an ideal customer profile. Brainstorm with your colleagues and think who might be my ideal customer or the audience. Conduct a market research, Google Analytics, gather business data, think about, different things, interviewing people, asking people who might be my ideal customer. Reassess your plan based on previous experiences, successes, and failures. If you had a similar plan that you've done before, think about it. How was it? Was it successful? Was it a failure? If I succeeded, why did I succeed? What did I do right? And if I failed, why did I fail? What were the reasons that made me fail? Then research your competitors. Who are they targeting? And why are they targeting, this particular audience? And leverage existing customer data. Think, filter them. Think. It all comes to your judgment. It's all based on your judgment and based on your experience. So with digital marketing, you can see the exact number of people who have viewed your websites, homepage in real time by using digital analytics software available in the market. You can also see how many pages they visited and what type of device they were using and where they came from, amongst other digital analytics data. This intelligence helps you prioritize which marketing channels to spend more. Meaning, what type? Is it through Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram? Where do you have to spend? The number of people those channels drive to your website. For example, if only 10% of your traffic is coming from organic search. When we say organic search, those people are really interested. It's not payable. You didn't pay to have people looking through your website, but these are people that are really interested in your products and services. So if 10% of your traffic is coming from organic search, you know that you probably need to spend some time on SEO to increase that percentage. With digital marketing, you can identify trends and patterns in people's behavior before they reach the final stage in their buyer's journey, meaning you can make more informed decisions about how to attract them to your website right at the top of the marketing funnel. Define audience segmentation and buyer personas. Conduct a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We discussed about it before. Define the digital marketing channels, develop your digital marketing strategies and tactics, and then define your digital marketing goals and business objectives. So basically, the 5 Ws help us define the audience segmentation and buyer's persona, conduct a SWOT analysis. One of the reasons that we use the 5 Ws to conduct SWOT analysis to find out where are our strengths and our weaknesses, where are the opportunities that we are not implementing and the threats that we have or the challenges that we are having. Define your digital marketing channels. What are the channels? Because we identify who are my target, or who is my target, why is this individual my target, and where is this individual, and what should I do, meaning which channel should I use. Develop your digital marketing strategies and tactics, and then define your digital marketing goals and business objectives. So basically, these are the 5 Ws, and that's the way we use them. To determine what you should do in digital marketing, you should start by developing a clear understanding of your goals, target audience, and available resources. Here are some steps you can take. So define your goals, know your audience, identify your resources, and choose your channels, and develop a plan that actually works for these goals. It's very important. By following these steps, you can develop a digital marketing strategy that is tailored to your unique goals and audience, and that maximizes your available resources. So develop a plan, create a digital marketing plan that outlines your strategies, tactics, timelines, and expected outcomes. Be sure to track your progress and adjust your plan as needed based on the results you achieve. That will be the end of this session, and see you next session. Follow up on more details about digital marketing plan. Thank you.